Kera ka? Busy? Okay. Sige, mag-road trip na lang ta. Ako na bahala. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so alam ko na kung saan kami magbakasyon. Naka-book na din ako ng hotel. Medyo mahal nga lang kasi madalian. Mamaya na kami mag-check-in. So nag-text si Allison mga 1 or 1:30 AM. And matagal na din kaming wala nakabakasyon. So we might as well go somewhere else and unwind. Kasi paminsan-minsan dito talaga sa, or kahit sang abroad siguro, wala ka sa Pilipinas. Paminsan-minsan pagod sa trabaho, pagod sa day-to-day na chores. Kasi wala ngang katulong dito. Kayo lang talaga. And pag kayo may dalawang trabaho, so mahirap. So yun, yep. Okay, so nandito na kami lahat. Tapos na kami mag-pack. First things first, magpagasolina mo siguro kami. Mahal kasi dito, so doon lang kami sa Idaho na border. Mga 164 miles away. Alright, kakain muna kami dito sa Chick-fil-A para straight na kaming mag-drive. So tapos na kami kumain and we will start our trip to Secret muna. Nag-stretching and exercise dito. Nandito na kami pala sa rest area, malapit sa Spokane, Washington. So si Allison tulog pa rin. So kami lang ni Jansoy ang magba-bathroom siguro. Yan, tapos na siya mag-exercise. Right? Okay, so tapos na kami dito sa rest area. Mga 40 miles away from Spokane, Washington. Tapos yung state line ng Washington at saka yung Idaho, 58 or 60 miles away na lang. Yung gasoline namin 91 miles pa bago mag-empty yung tank. So sa Idaho na lang kami magpagasolina kasi mas mura dun. Bili muna ako ng tubig. Tapos si Alice ang gusto ng Doritos. May Doritos ba dito? Ano natin? Ito, may Doritos dito. Yung sigurong cheese. Ayan. Bubayad tayo.
Wait, I gotta get the pretzels. I'm sorry.
This is all for you.
Yeah.
All right, $5.72.
Alright.
You can put this next.
Tap right here or insert. There you go. All right, you're all set. You have one for today.
Here. Yeah. Yeah, so yan. Sa likod yung isa. Ayan, yeah. We will resume our trip. We have 224 miles to go. So estimated arrival namin is 5:25 PM. Iba yata yung time zone na nila, no? Yung iba, either mag-advance siguro ng 1 hour or something. Tingnan natin. So yan, yeah.
144!
So yan, nakabili na kami. Nandito pa rin to sa Idaho pero malapit na sa border ng Canada. So ito yung pagkain namin. It's already 3 p.m. Nagugutom ng lahat eh. So, pamili na lang kami ng McDonald's. Okay, I'll go to mommy's side. Yan. You get this. Bought nuggets for you. Hold it, no, okay. So yan, siguro kakain muna kami dito sa parking spot, parking area. Then bago tuloy-tuloy sa biyahe namin, and napakahangin dito. So ang lugar na to, ang name yata is Ponderay, Idaho. So yun, 172 miles pa yung biyahe namin. 3 hours na biyahe, so kakain muna kami dito.
Dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar.
Okay, so nag-cross na kami ng state line. Tulog pa yung dalawa. Gigisingon ko muna. We're here. Sorry? We're here. Yeah, wake up. Okay, so we crossed the interstate line na. We crossed the border na from Idaho to the big country state
Montana!
What are you going?
Montana.
Montana. Okay. Ready? 1, 2.
Montana! Okay, take a picture.
Okay, so nasa mountain time zone na kami. And sa Montana, Troy, Libby, and Kalispell. So papunta kami ng Kalispell. Meron pa kaming 121 miles na idadrive. And it's already 4:20 p.m. We still have, I think, 2 hours na pagdadrive. Oh, may casino pala dito. Ewan ko kung state line casino. Mukhang sarado na yata. So ito yung lugar. Yan. May mga bato pa na sign yan. So medyo kami lang tao dito, kaya kayo lang tao dito?
Yeah.
Let's go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't mind the rain, bring your life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain.
How are you?
Good.
I have a reservation.
I'll have you run a credit card through that terminal right there.
Sure.
There's no charge that's going to be put on it. It's just for incidental.
All right.
And then that just needs a signature and your make and model. Don't worry about the license plate.
All right. All right.
All set?
Yeah.
I got dishes down here if you need anything to cook or eat with while you're here.
Oh,
There's
okay.
laundry on site, and we keep quarters for that at the desk.
Right.
And then there's an ice maker in the freezer. There's none in the hallway. You got to flip a little switch in there to turn it on. So it's important for you to understand housekeeping only comes once every 4 days in this establishment. So if you ever want trash taken out, fresh towels, sheets, call the phone here at the desk, and we'll come take care of you. Okay?
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. 3rd floor and down on this side, guys.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Okay, so nandito na kami. My Place Hotel. And napakaganda ng view namin. Let's see here. Look at that. that view. Napakaganda. So, yun. May dalawang queen size bed. Tapos, may kitchenette din. Yan. Pwedeng makapagluto. Then, yung bathroom nila. Yan. So, we will freshen up a little bit and then doon kami sa Walmart bibili ng mga kain namin for tomorrow for breakfast. So, yan. So, day 2 namin dito sa Montana. Ano kayang pwedeng gagawin dito?